Hello, I'm Goldsboro Mayor Chuck Allen, and I'm here to read Little Humans by Brandon Stanton. But first, I want to ask all our parents, all our kids, to be sure your kids read each day for at least 30 minutes a day. Let's put down Fortnite, let's do whatever, but let's be sure these kids are reading. We want to prevent summer slide. We want our kids to get out of third grade where they can read. So it's very, very important that we all do our part to be sure that our kids are reading. So with that, we're going to start the book. Thank you. All right, so it's Little Humans. Little humans can do big things. If they stand up tall and they hold on tight, sure, sometimes they will fall, but they get back up. They'll be all right. Little humans can be tough. Super tough. Superhero tough. But not too tough to need a hug or need some friends. That's a cute picture. Or need some love. We all need some love. Little humans can put on a show to make you proud of what they know. They help. They play. They slide in the snow. They spill. They learn. And then they grow. Little humans can do such big things. And say, I did it myself. But if a thing is a bit too big, they can say, I need some help. With all that little humans do, like bend and twirl and dig, don't be surprised if one says to you, hey, I'm not little, I'm big. The end. The Humans by Brandon Stanton. Please read.